Hello everybody, welcome to this new episode. In today's video I would like to demonstrate to you how to use the Jshell. Well, what is the Jshell? First of all, Jshell is the console for Java, the virtual machine. So the way to use it is quite simple. Usually you should be able to just run Jshell. If it doesn't happen, then you need to locate where your installation is, your Java installation, your virtual machine. In my case, I will look to see my latest running configuration and see where am I grabbing my Java virtual machine from. So I get this path, and the only thing I need to do is at the root of bin, you just modify this by shell. It should run your shell console in Java. What you can do here is basically you can do everything what you do in a IDE. You can do things like import libraries. You can use the tab, and it will give you all the possibilities of things that you can actually import into your application. I'm not going to import anything right now. You can do things like everything. I mean, you can create a string as is my string. Oops. Right. It behaves a little bit like VI sometimes. My string. So, and you can system out println s, right? You can do things like that, and if it's kind of complicated to write all the things directly in the console, you can also do something like this. You can write, this will show you all the history, and you can also do things like, let's say, you can define a class even here. You can say class, my class, and inside that class you can probably static void main method, right? And you can also, let's say, just do something simple, something like that, right? So if you just accept and exit, and it will tell you create a class, my class. So very good. You can now also instantiate that class. The class, my class, can be instantiated by just saying my class and then reference m main, something like that. You can also do things like simply save what you have done. You can save it by saying, you save my class in the into my class, again Java, right? And you can also reload things that you have saved by saying simply open my class to Java. You see, when you edit, the reason why it printed out here is because it was also calling the instantiation from here. So yeah, that's pretty much. You can you have the help also here that you can use to research more about the Jshell, and by /exit you get out of it. And I guess the class that I just saved is right here, so you can use the Jshell to create small snippets of code that you want to really tightly test without having the distractions of a IDE. So I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Cheers.